In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DocuSign accounts. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to go and you'll understand exactly what to expect at each step so nothing feels confusing. First, open your favorite web browser and head straight to the DocuSign homepage. Typing the address directly into the address bar helps you land on the official site right away. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date so pages load quickly and everything looks the way it should. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up option. On some versions of the site, it may read try for free. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click that button to begin the quick registration process. Don't worry if you see mentions of a trial. Your goal right now is simply to create your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address first, followed by your name and phone number. Use an email you can access immediately since you'll need it for verification. Enter your full name as you want it to appear on documents you sign. This keeps your electronic signature consistent and professional. For your phone number, use a number you control. DocuSign may use it for security or account notifications, which can help keep your account protected. Take a moment to double check your spelling and digits before moving on. A quick review here can save time later if something doesn't match. After everything looks correct, click the sign up button. That submits your information to DocuSign and begins creating your account. You may see a confirmation message letting you know that a verification email is on its way. This is standard and ensures that the address you entered is valid. Now switch over to your email inbox and look for a new message from DocuSign. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a minute, then refresh. Still not there. Check your spam or promotions folders, as automated emails can occasionally land there. When you find the message, open it and follow the instructions inside to verify your email. This step confirms your identity and activates your new account so you can start using DocuSign without interruptions. That's it. You've gone to the DocuSign homepage, clicked sign up, entered your email, name and phone number, clicked sign up again to submit, and checked your email for verification. Once verified, your account is ready to use for sending, signing, and managing documents securely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new DocuSign account.